It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And how about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit right here, and it's the Jenna collection Truly Me Andrina in the color 4. And this is by the Truly Me collection, and this collection is supposed to be easy everyday wear, natural lace front, hand tie lace part, easy fit adjustable straps, and it comes with baby hair. And these are the other styles in this collection. And I have reviewed 2 out of 6. This is the 3rd one that I'm doing. So, and I got in the color 4. So this is what Andrina, I hope I'm saying it right. This is what she looks like in the color 4. I like it. It's natural. The color looks natural. You can wear this every day, which it just might be my everyday hair. I might just wear it to work. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this is the parting space. And I got this from Elevate Style for $28.99, so less than 30 bucks. It is easy and affordable. And I like the curls, and I'm gonna put her on. So this is what she looks like with the lace still on. And one thing with this collection, I would say the ear tabs is hard. Like, it is hard, and it's barely coming. It's barely ear to ear, barely. And this one is definitely going to tangle because one is synthetic and also it's a long synthetic hair, so double trouble. But I love the color, and look at that. I'm like, this is what it looks like. It is a long one, but this is what she looks like. This is the hairline. Ain't nothing special about it. And I love how it got like layers in it. The curls are like layers and stuff. As I run my hands through it, I'm getting strands. I'm getting few strands, like 1 or 2, which is not bad. So I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what Andrina looks like after I cut the lace. I feel like it's a little humpy up here, a little bit, so I'm gonna take my good old trusty, oh my gosh, tell me why I be struggling. I be acting like I don't know how to use this. Alright, so this is what she looks like. I didn't put too much work to it. That's the parting space. And she's easy. That's it. Like, it's a really beginner friendly hair. You don't have to do much to it. Just cut the lace, put a powder if you want Putting heat on the top is optional. As you saw, I was struggling. I don't know why I always struggle when I'm using the hot comb on camera. It's like, I know how to use it. I promise I know how to use it, but I just be struggling. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. Yeah guys, so this is what she looks like. Tell me, what do you think? I like it. I like rubbing my hands through it. It's like the more you rub your fingers through it, it gets a little poofy, which I don't mind it. But yeah, so let me know what you think about Andrina in the comment section. And this cute necklace that I'm wearing right here is from my friend MonetDiorCoutoure. She sells really cute jewelry. Like, this is a really nice statement piece, and it's affordable, so the link will be down in the description. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.